we always advocate para sa healthy lifestyle. So, adequate rest, nutrition, exercise, and then number one is no smoking. So, as it is, yung ating environment is more or less in terms of pollution, hindi naman kaaya-aya. So, dadagdagan pa natin. Sabi nga nila, ang lungs natin ang pinaka-vulnerable pagdating sa infection kasi everything is in the air, nalalanghap natin, dust, chemicals, and infection. So, bawasan natin so we can eliminate, if we can eliminate smoking. And then vaccination, we're pushing for vaccination. Pneumonia vaccine, which is a protection against bacterial pneumonias, given every 5 years, twice in your lifetime. So, if we could just go with this, malaking bagay. It will go a long way in maintaining our lung health.